I have a really nice recipe coming up. Very simple, very dramatic, a beautiful whole roasted grouper with leeks, lemon, and white wine. Let's get started. I'm gonna start just by prepping the leeks, and we wanna get the leeks into pretty thick diagonal pieces. This is a pretty traditional dish, originally from Crete, with a few of my own tweaks to it. Roasted whole fish, baked whole fish, that's a totally stress-free option for any kind of dinner party. My pan is nice and warm. I'm just gonna add a little extra virgin Greek olive oil to that and get the leeks into the frying pan. We do this basically to soften them. I have quite a number of leeks here, so I'm gonna do it in batches. So while that's happening, let me get a little salt over that. And while the leeks are cooking, I'm gonna season the fish. And what we have here is this beautiful, what we call in Greek, sfirida, beautiful grouper. You could use any whole fish for this. I'm just gonna get a little bit of salt over the surface. A little bit of white pepper over the top as well. You always want to add some sort of seasoning. I'm using fresh oregano and fresh thyme. You could add celery to this if you want, maybe some fennel. Almost any kind of gentle herb works really nicely inside the fish, and we just do that for flavor. A little bit of extra virgin Greek olive oil just over the surface of the fish and also around the pan a little bit. Let me check on those leeks. I'm going right into the pan. We've got some good color on that. This is looking good. It's got the color that we want. Okay, let me get this second batch of leeks into the baking pan. Beautiful. This is the beauty of simplicity, and that is really what Greek food is all about. Very few ingredients, really good quality, super fresh, and simple techniques. Just adding a few lemon slices to this because in Greece, fish and lemon are a natural combination. And it also just looks really beautiful. A little white wine, just to lubricate the leeks and the pan and the fish. This is going off to the oven. This is about a 4.5-pound fish. You need about 10 minutes a pound, so 45 minutes at 375.